Hello everyone, thank you for joining here. Today I will try to try to unbox my new phone. I'm really sorry because there are so many things will be wrong because it's my first unboxing video. So yeah, let's enjoy. Redmi 9. Yes, Redmi 9. I'll just make it simple. My reaction, my view, opinion, that's it. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's some paperwork. It's sim, pins. Okay. Oh, yeah, I will open it later. Black plastic silicone base, maybe rubbery thing. Yeah, nice. At least it's black. Okay. So it's a Redmi 9 Xiaomi 30 megapixel AI quad camera, ultra wide angle and macro lenses, and so many other things. Blah blah blah. Mm. Mm. Plastic, I guess. Carbon gray. They are saying carbon gray. So that's the phone. This is what we got from the box. A phone case, a phone, a charger and charging cables, but no headphones, my bad. But we got a headphone jack. It's a okay, that's the phone. And by the way, I will make another proper full review with how I'm feeling using it day to day life. It will be another next video. So right now I don't think so. It's my first impression. This is what I got. So this is it. Like this video, subscribe, you guys should do that, and thanks for joining here.